I'm Bryce Bernard. I teach accounting and teach in the business school in my 34th year here, and I love teaching at Corban. There's no other place that I would rather teach.
Hi, I'm Kelly Gausman. I'm the Assistant Professor of Business and Marketing here at Corban University. I've been at Corban for the last 10 years, and I absolutely love it. I love engaging with the students. I love being able to be the bridge with the community and creating real-world marketing projects.
Hi, my name is Kate Hunter, and I'm a junior marketing student at the Hoff School of Business here at Corban University. I chose Corban's business program because in the future I would like to go and do sports marketing or PR of some sort, and all the professors were really welcoming and I felt right at home.
You know, we get asked these kinds of questions all the time. Why come to Corban? For me, it's about you being prepared for your life and your career. We have a statement that we use in the School of Business that your life and career are a ministry, and we truly believe that.
If you're looking for a program that is founded on the principles that are set forth in Scripture, but infused into the learning that's going to encourage them in their walk with Christ, if you want 117 years of practical business experience brought into the classroom through tangible examples, and if you're wanting a meaningful real-world experience, the Corban Business Program is for you.
We've got a good track record of placement. We consistently score in the top 3, 4, 5 schools in Oregon for passing rates on the CPA exam. We have a lot to be proud of. And it's not about me or some of the other faculty, it's about how hard our students are working.
So there have been many graduates over the last 10 years during my time at Corban, and a few that rise to the top of my mind that have done really unique things with their degree has been one student who went through a series of internships while she was here and has done internships with various sports teams such as the Trailblazers and the LA Clippers, and is now working as a director of communications for the Atlanta Hawks. Other students that have come through have been more entrepreneurial. We have one student who started escape rooms here in Salem.
Throughout my time in the business program at Corban, I have grown a lot professionally because we've had a lot of different opportunities to have real life experiences. Last year, me and my marketing team had the opportunity to work with Grace House Women's Shelter here in Salem, and we got to put together a marketing plan for them and a social media calendar, and we even got to come up with a brand new fundraising event. And throughout that process, it really got me invested into marketing, and that's when I chose my marketing major.
What are we going to teach you? A whole lot of practical and relevant things.
I believe students need to be practically applying the theory that they're learning in class. They need to be sitting across the table from a client who's struggling with their nonprofit or business. They need to be able to dig deep to answer the questions and come up with a game plan for their client. And so in the marketing program here at Corban, students will have a minimum of 5 real-world marketing projects when they leave. And that parlays into internships. When these organizations find students that are willing to dig deep for them, a lot of times they'll want to hire them as an intern to help carry out those marketing plans.
By doing these sorts of projects, I've grown in my faith by learning how I can serve people in different ways. My experience in the Corban Business Program has been great. I've gotten really close with all of my classmates and made some really awesome friendships. We all push each other to be the best people in and out of the classroom.
Who do we want you to be when you graduate? I'd like for you to be a maturing Christian who is ready to go into the workforce with all the skills and the knowledge that you need to be successful.